You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How to say hello in Vietnamese. How to say hi in Vietnamese. Let's learn Vietnamese, the correct pronunciation. Xin, xin. Yes, you could replace the X here with an S. Xin Chao. How to pronounce hello in Vietnamese. Vietnamese greeting. Xin Chao. Xin Chao is how to say hi in Vietnam. Xin Chao. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.